I think it's high time we address this issue. For those of you who still cough into your palms, what is your problem? What is your problem? You cough into your palms and you still use that same hand, that dirty hand, to shake another person. You are transmitting bacteria now. Check it out now. Most of these things were taught back then in our primary school days. Yes. But there are some things we have to unlearn and also relearn. And this is part of it. Stop coughing into your palms, cough into your elbow. Stop spreading bacteria. Precious, Emeka, me, I've said my own. If you shake me with that hand that you actually coughed into, the thunder that will fire you is actually gymming. Hear me?